Governor Kim Reynolds isn't going to bring in an outside company to set up a vaccine call center, but companies that submitted bids were informed of the change today. The state health department didn't elaborate for why the change of heart. They cited an administrative rule that allows for bidding processes to be canceled when it's in the state's interest. Public Health says it'll continue to evaluate call center solutions. Meanwhile, 5 Iowa counties won't have the vaccine for their residents next week. According to the state, they didn't use 80% of their current supply this week. One of those counties is Buchanan County. The health administrator there tells us she has used all of her vaccines with clinics today, but she's still being told by the governor and state health officials no vaccine is coming next week.
We want doses in the arms of people, but the timing of it is just unfortunate for Buchanan County because we had already had these things planned, and we were told last week that was fine, and then last night apparently it wasn't fine. And so that's the frustrating part, that there was not a grace period when we had a plan, we had everything set up. The threshold would have been met today, and they just are looking strictly at numbers at one point in time without looking at the whole picture.
IDPH says Buchanan County has more than 700 doses of vaccine on hand that remain unused. If they can validate that these have been used, the state will work to accommodate planned clinics for next week.